Hi, folks. So, as usual, let me start from a little story. Imagine you're on your first date, and halfway through the first course, your date starts asking really weird questions like, are you allergic to pet dander? How many kids do you want? What grade did you have in math in the first grade at primary school? And you go like, what? And the situation gets really awkward really quickly, right? You must admit that's something that you wouldn't want to happen on the first date. It actually happened to a friend of mine, right? But moving on, if we all know these situations are really awkward, why do we subject our users to these things? It always makes me wonder, why do we do things in product that we would never ever do in real life? The question is simple. We usually do these things like asking questions about feature feedback in an email when your user is reading the email probably 5 days after they have used this feature and they have no bloody clue how they felt or how they felt about the user experience when they were using this feature. Because honestly, your product is not the most important thing in the world for them. But we're still asking these questions in an email because we don't have the development resources to build enough surveys, right? Micro surveys that would actually be contextual and ask the right thing at the right time in the right place when your user actually remembers, how they felt when they were using a particular feature. But of course, if you're using tools like UserPilot, you don't need to worry about the development costs because you can build these micro surveys in less than 5 minutes without coding. I can do it. If I can do it, an average chimpanzee can do it. So, everyone can do it. You can do it too. So stop asking these weird questions in an email. Right, next, what are the other benefits of actually asking for user feedback in-app? Apart from being timely and contextual and la-di-da, you can also categorize and instantly segment your users by the responses they gave you. So when it comes to feedback on certain features or like how to use a specific feature, which shows that your user has not quite wrapped their head around how to use it, you can instantly trigger a follow-up experience that will lead them to use this feature correctly, right? So in a sense, your response to their feedback is even more important than the feedback because it allows them to finally reach their goal faster and it removes this frustration that they had instantly. Right, so in the posts below, plural, I'm showing you how to collect user feedback in the right way, what questions to ask. We collected a list of 31 questions that you should ask your users in different circumstances, and also what to do with this feedback. So what follow-up experiences to build and how to build them so you can resolve the user's frustrations instantly. Okay, so go check them out. No more bad days, no more bad emails with questions about feature feedback, and let me know if you found it useful. I'm looking forward for your feedback. See you next week.